I'm in the office today and I'm getting ready for some open houses that we have this weekend. And I wanted to go through some expectations that you should have as a seller based on the open houses that you're having or that are being done on your home. First and foremost, you want to make sure it's being done correctly. Behind me, you can see we've kind of got our directional arrows ready to go. Around here, we're not allowed to put those arrows out. We got a restricted time, so we can put them out Friday afternoons. We pick them up Mondays. They can be out during the weekend to draw traffic to our open houses, but we got to pick them up. We can't litter the neighborhoods in the area all week, all the time with our advertisements and our promotions. Second thing we do in our open houses while we're there, we make sure that we bring a copy of the MLS. A lot of the buyers that are coming in have no idea what the price is, what's going on in that house, even how many bedrooms, how many bathrooms. They might not even know where they are. They might be coming home from church and just saw a sign and come in. So we want to make sure that they've got information as they walk around the home. Obviously, we can't chase them around the home while we're in there to be sure we're giving them all that information. So we want to make sure they have it as they walk through. The second thing that we're doing here, I don't know if you can see this, but we're asking for feedback. So we hand this to them as they walk in, as they sign in. Say, hey, if you don't mind, can you give us some feedback for the seller as you walk through the home? So they're telling us what's their favorite part, what's their least favorite part, what do they think about the price, are they interested in the home? Just giving us some feedback that we can give to you as our seller. That's really what you want to get out of an open house, is getting more people through so we can get feedback and we can figure out what we need to do to make sure that we get the home sold. The more people we get through, the more feedback we get, the smarter we are at knowing what the buyers want and what we need to do to make sure our home sells. A couple other things that we always bring with us here in Maryland: you got to disclose who you are as you stand inside of that open house. So we're telling all of our buyers that are coming through, hey, I'm here, I work for the seller, I can answer any questions, but make sure what you say to me is protected, because it can always go back to the seller. We don't have any kind of relationship or agency relationship. I'm here working for you as the seller. Last thing, we're obviously asking everybody to sign in. If somebody tells me on their feedback form that they're interested, I want to have the contact information to be able to contact them. The other thing, quite honestly, that does, gives us prospective buyers to call. So as a seller, don't expect to sell your home because you're doing open houses. Only less than 1% of homes are actually sold through an open house. What you're going to get is some feedback, some more people through, maybe word of mouth. Maybe they know somebody that's interested in a home. But most of these people coming through aren't real buyers for you. Most of them aren't qualified, haven't been qualified, may not even be interested in your home. They're just kind of looking around and seeing what's out there. So hope that helps. Hope you understand open houses a little bit more. And I appreciate you watching this video.